Okay, today we're going to take this new style LED can light and swap it out for that old one. Nathan Cox here. Thanks for joining us on Around the Home. I just got finished doing a review video for this very specific can light that we're using. Alright, now if you missed that, check the top right of your screen and you can go back to that. But other than that, we've got this light up here to change out. Let's get to it. Okay, now this is an older style can light and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So first, obviously, get rid of that bulb. And be careful if this was on recently because those will be hot. Okay, now newer style can lights, you should go to pop the trim kit off, and then the light socket, as you can kind of see, there it is, will stay up there. It's mounted to the actual can itself. These older style ones, the light socket comes with it. So we got little spring clips here, we'll pinch, pop off, and then a spring clip on the other side. Okay, this part's actually not hard at all. I'm just doing it all with one hand. They have spring clips on the socket, you can see there. So you're just going to pinch those together. Okay, and now the socket's hanging all willy-nilly like that. So this is just trash. Alright, so you see that since the socket is hanging loose like this kind of can light is perfect. It has these little tail ends, okay? Now some of them don't have the tail, they actually have the socket directly on the bulb unit itself. Like right here, and it just comes out with a, with the socket, and then it has like an extension where you can lift and lower it. And that won't work for these old can lights. Okay, because this is not mounted to anything. So easiest thing to do is screw that in first up here. Alright, then just kind of snug it up. So now we got that hanging. So now we're going to get the actual fixture up here. Okay, so start with it like that. And we're going to get, you can see up there, there's just this little hook area there. So we're going to get the first set of spring clips in first. And then we're going to put the wire together. Now it only goes one way. So if you're worried about it getting upside down, don't worry. It's going to fit one way or the other. Okay, not both. Sorry, I had to put my phone down to do that. I can't do that with one hand. Okay, now that just kind of sits up there. Okay, and it's fine because these things don't get super hot. So it's okay that it's just sitting there. Okay, now we just have to pinch the other two spring clips in and set it up there. Push that back up on top. Now this will just snap up at that point like that. But since these ones, particularly, a lot of these don't have this option, but we can actually change the color of the light. So let me show you that. Check this out, see how well I can show you guys. You see? I get the really white, which is almost blue. And then it switches back up to the yellows. And my customer has been generally liking them about like that. Okay, just kind of pushing it to the side. There we go. Now it's clean. Okay, there we go. We installed the new LED can light. Super easy to do. And it sure does dress that light fixture up. Not only does it dress it up, but we're using a ton less power in the process. And it puts out better, cleaner light. So it's like a win-win-win, right? So anyways, take a moment, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my website, and check out some additional videos here. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Please share this video. Thanks again.